Hello, whoever watches this, I want you to know how awesome Mitchell Levy is. I didn't really know what was going to happen when I met him here. We're at a conference and happened to run into him. I'd already seen his TEDx talk and I was just so excited. He has just such a pleasant disposition and ease about him, and I just really loved seeing him. And we connected, we spent some extra time talking, and he helped me gain so much more clarity about what I do, the benefits that I offer, and the type of people that I connect with. But here's the thing, so it's not just about the clarity, it's about, seriously, it's about the space that he held for me to really walk through all that and piece things together. And let's try this, let's try that, well, let's go a little deeper here. I mean, seriously, that is huge value. It's for me, it's not enough for someone to just swoop on in and say, well, here, it's this. Because if we haven't gone deeper in me, then I might, it's not gonna stick long enough. He really helped me get to a place where I have so much more ease about what I'm doing, as well as the clarity. So just wanted to say, if you want to work with Mitchell Levy, I highly recommend him. I was not anticipating a conversation like this with him. I was just coming to a conference, and this was a huge bonus. So so he helps you feel seen and heard, and he's a fantastic listener. So he does what he says he does, and I highly recommend him.